Alright, we are in the clean out plug here in the laundry room, basement. Pushing out, zeroed out the counter, flow a little water, and go out to the curb here. So I run into this situation quite often. This is a cast iron, and you see all the inside corrosion and rust buildup. Well, the camera head is 2 inches, and after I got out about 8 feet where this branch line from the laundry room is going to connect into the main line, you can see how it's really restricted the size. So I can't even get my 2-inch camera past here. There's a little trough along the bottom where they've been doing some sort of cable cleaning, but what should happen here, get my camera in position, there we go, is this needs to be descaled completely to open this up. So what will happen if this gets worse and continues down this path, when the laundry tub is draining in the basement, it's going into this line and it's going to get slower and slower to drain. And eventually, it's just going to fill up the tub completely and not want to go through. So this needs to get corrected. You can see here. See, there's already some standing water in the bottom. It's about 90% obstructed here. the water is flowing by here, but as we got down in there deeper, you could see the restriction here. So at this area, the head camera is completely underwater. I shut the flow off here, and this is just a trickle at the laundry tub here. I didn't have it on full blast like large volume. Alright, I'm going to pull this back through here now, and got the laundry tub washing on drain and spin. Measure the volume output onto the drainage here. Just to give you a sense of the flow I had, this is what we had flowing. Just to measure the drainage there. That was causing the camera head to get underwater.